Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a very useful Google Chrome extension which lets you edit cookies. So cookies are very important information related to a website. You can directly create, edit, delete cookies with this cookie editor Chrome extension. It's got almost 100,000 installs. So let me just add to Chrome and show to you. It has a really nice user interface once you install this. So cookies, as you all know, it's a very important information which website stores related to your own data. So after it installs, let me just, so the icon will appear something like this. So while you visit a website, let's suppose I open any website right here. So once you use a website, the website stores information related to yourself. So as soon as you click on this cookie editor, it shows you all the information related to the website, such as domain name, expiration date, host only, path, same site, secure, in a very nice user friendly way. So as you see, it is storing this information. These are all cookies which are actually storing right here. So you can even delete this cookie by clicking the delete button. You can edit this cookie. So once you click the edit button, you can actually change these values. So you can change the name, value, everything. And after that, click on edit. Then we also have delete. You can copy this cookie. So you can clear the data browser, delete all cookies by using this button. It's a very good extension. So every website stores some cookies. So if you have some knowledge, you can even edit these cookies. So this happens with every website. So let me visit google.com. So Google also actually, as you see, it is storing these cookies, a lot of cookies. So we also have the search bar where you can specifically search for a particular cookie, as you see. So we have, you can even export all the cookies by clicking the export button. So every cookie will be exported. Click the export button and it actually export all the cookies in a txt file. This is really useful if you do want to export your cookies in a txt file. You can even import your cookies as well by simply importing it, sharing. We can add one more cookie by giving a name and value. It's very simple. And you can even clear out all the cookies by clicking the clear button like this. Copy to clipboard, all these options are there. So it's really a nice extension which actually saves you a lot of time. You don't need to open developer console to actually edit cookies. This is a really good Google Chrome extension. Definitely install this.